Hey there tech lovers, the countdown to the Samsung Galaxy S25 is on, and today we're diving into one of the most exciting choices you'll need to make. What color will you choose? Trust me, this year's lineup is bringing some serious personality to your pocket. Let's get into it. Alright, so let's break it down. According to the latest leaks, shout out to Evan Blass and other top sources, we're looking at 7 distinct shades for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Here they are. Regular shades: Titanium White Silver, Titanium Silver Blue, Titanium Grey, Titanium Black, Samsung Exclusives, Titanium Jade Green, Titanium Pink, Titanium Jet Black. How sleek do these sound? These aren't just colors, they're statements. Samsung seems to be going for a professional, refined vibe with this Ultra lineup. The exclusives, though, add a pop of personality if you're looking to stand out. Historically, the Ultra series has leaned toward more serious, understated tones. Think blacks and silvers, which scream elegance and professionalism. And it looks like the S25 Ultra is sticking to that tradition, while spicing things up just a little with those exclusive shades. But let's be honest, colors like Titanium Pink and Jade Green are game changers if you're someone who likes your tech to make a statement. Which one are you leaning toward? Now, we don't have full device renders yet, but we've got SIM tray leaks and some comparisons from reliable sources like Roland Quant. While these are small glimpses, they give us a good idea of the vibe Samsung is aiming for: sleek, bold, and just the right amount of playful. Of course, seeing the full photo will be a different story, and we won't have to wait long for that. The Galaxy S25 lineup is set to be unveiled at the much-anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event, tipped for January 22. That's right, just a month away. And as always, Samsung will likely open pre-orders immediately after the show. So, if you're eyeing a specific shade, you'll want to act fast. So, what's your pick? Are you going for the timeless elegance of titanium black or the bold flair of jade green or pink? Let me know in the comments which shade speaks to you. And hey, if you're still undecided, don't worry. We'll have full hands-on coverage of every color as soon as they drop. Hit that like button if you're as excited as I am, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest Galaxy S25 updates, leaks, and reviews. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Until next time, stay tuned, stay stylish, and I'll catch you in the next video.